Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the sixth question in exercise 11.2. For the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 7, show that f dash of 2 is equal to 5 times of f dash of 1. So first let's write the f of x that was given to us. The f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. We are supposed to show that f dash of 2 is 5 times f dash of 1. So first let's find out what is f dash of x. So what is f dash of x is simply the differentiation of this input function. So differentiation of 2x squared is 4x. Differentiation of minus 3x is simply minus 3. Differentiation of 7 is 0. So I'm not making a note of it. Now let's compute f dash of 2. So what does it mean? Wherever there is x in the f dash of x, I'm going to substitute it with 2. So 4 into 2 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, which is 5. Now let's compute f dash of 1. So if I see wherever there is x, I'm going to place 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3, which is 1. So 5 times of f dash of 1 is nothing but 5. If I write this as equation 1 and equation 2, I can simply say from 1 and 2, we are simply able to prove f dash of 2 is equal to 5 times of f dash of 1 and hence proved. A very simple and an easy problem. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.